For today, we're diving into how ChatGPT can help you plan and organize your social media content like a pro. We'll show you how to use ChatGPT to map out your media posts efficiently and creatively. Let's get started. The first step in mapping out your media posts with ChatGPT right here is defining your goals. Whether you want to increase engagement, drive traffic to your website, or promote a new product, having clear goals is crucial. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us define these goals. We'll start by inputting a prompt to ChatGPT right here in this input, like help me define goals for my social media strategy. Now let's see how this goes. As you'll see right here, as it currently processes, ChatGPT suggests goals like, for example, boost engagement, increase sales right here, enhance content distributions. Yeah, these specific measurable goals will guide the content ChatGPT generates for you. Using these clearly defined goals, we can now move forward with our content planning. Next, it's essential to set up a content calendar to organize your posts and ensure a consistent posting schedule. Let's ask ChatGPT here once again to help us create a simple monthly calendar. We'll start by inputting a prompt to ChatGPT right here, like, help me create a monthly content calendar for my fitness blog, for instance. So let's see how ChatGPT would provide for us. As it currently processes right here, ChatGPT provides a detailed content calendar, suggesting post ideas and their optimal posting dates. For example, plans for upcoming week, rest day, blog post, social media, post a preview clip right there, and that specific date right there. Thursday, blog post again, the following tips. Yeah, anything right there to incorporate into your plan. With ChatGPT's assistance, setting up your content calendar becomes a breeze, ensuring you have a well-organized and effective posting strategy. Now comes the fun part, generating content ideas with ChatGPT. Let's say you run a fitness blog and want to post about workout tips, nutrition advice, and motivational quotes. In the ChatGPT interface right here, we'll start by inputting a prompt. Right here in this input, let's say, give me 10 content ideas for a fitness blog. So let's see how ChatGPT would provide suggestions of ideas for us. As you can see right here, ChatGPT provides a variety of ideas, such as, let's say, debunking fitness myths, mental health and fitness, the connection. Yeah, this list is a great starting point for your content calendar. So, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Once you have your ideas, the next step is to create detailed outlines for each post. This ensures you have a clear direction and all necessary elements are covered. We'll ask ChatGPT for a detailed outline on one of our topics. So let's say we could go for success stories, transformations, and testimonials. Then we'll ask ChatGPT with a prompt that I put together, for example, like create a detailed outline for a blog post on success stories, transformations, and testimonials. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work with this. This is currently processing right here. There! Now look at how ChatGPT is currently constructing this comprehensive outline for us. This including an introduction, success story, common themes, lessons, and there always as the conclusion, reader engagement, and yeah, This makes writing the actual post much more easier. See? Engaging captions and the right hashtags can significantly boost your post's visibility and engagement. Now let's use ChatGPT right here, our old buddy, to craft some captivating captions and find the best hashtags. We'll use a prompt or two. Let's say either write a catchy caption for a workout tip post, or suggest popular fitness hashtags. Or you can edit that in with one of the prompts, and let's say for this particular title right here, for a fitness post about, there we go, then we could send these both together. So let's see how this goes with both of them in the same input. See, here you go. ChatGPT suggests captions like, let's say, witness the incredible transformations that prove the power of dedication and perseverance. Then there's from overcoming obstacles to achieving new heights, etc., blah, blah, blah. And yeah, here are also the list of trendy hashtags right here. So this saves you time and ensures your posts are optimized for reach. With your content ready, it's time to schedule your posts and keep track of their performance. Let's ask ChatGPT once more to help us with this process. We'll start by inputting a prompt right here in this input. Let's say, suggest a scheduling and monitoring plan for my fitness blog posts. Now let's see how ChatGPT would provide for us based on the context of my prompt right here. Here we go. As you'll see, ChatGPT provides a detailed plan recommending tools and even for scheduling and suggests a schedule right here. Responding analysis, engagement and feedback, competitor analysis. Yeah, here we go. So by leveraging ChatGPT for scheduling and monitoring, you can ensure your posts are timely and effective, helping you reach your social media goals with ease. With ChatGPT helping you with these steps, you'll have a well-organized and effective social media strategy. And there you have it.